In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Shopify bill manually. Managing your Shopify finances is essential for ensuring that your online store runs smoothly, and understanding how to manually pay your bill is a handy skill to have. Let's dive into the process and make sure your account stays in good standing. To start, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice a cog icon labeled Settings. Click on that, and you'll enter a hub of various options that allow you to tailor your Shopify experience. But today, we'll focus on managing your billing settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look over to the left panel, where you'll see a list of different categories. Here, you're going to select Billing. It's within this section that you can manage everything related to your account's financials. Selecting Billing will lead you to a section that displays all the essential details of your subscription and related costs. Once you're in the billing section, you should see your upcoming bill prominently displayed. This provides you with a quick snapshot of how much you owe and when your payment is due. For those who prefer to stay ahead, paying your bill manually before the due date can be beneficial, putting your mind at ease and ensuring no disruptions in your Shopify service. To proceed with manual payment, you'll want to click on the View Bill button. This will provide a detailed breakdown of the upcoming bill. It's a good practice to review this information to make sure that all charges align with your understanding. Knowing these details can prevent any unwanted surprises in your financial management. Once you've reviewed the bill and everything checks out, you now have the option to pay it manually. This action confirms that you've approved the amounts and the payment method, ensuring smooth operations without any automatic charges or deductions that might catch you off guard. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to manually pay your Shopify bill. With this process, you gain more control over your finances and can manage your budget more effectively by deciding when and how to settle your Shopify charges. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you keep your billing in check and simplifies your Shopify experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!